Since the beginning of its production in 1989, Lexus has aimed to build cars of unsurpassed quality. Now Lexus takes the next step with a brand new assembly line dedicated to the Lexus IS at the Kyushu plant near the city of Fukuoka. The new IS assembly line is a remarkable fusion of innovative technology and craftsmanship, as is the new Lexus IS itself. The IS assembly line is silent and clean. Wheeled carts bringing powertrain parts to the body line have been replaced by automatic conveyor belts, allowing for a more precise integration in the assembly and a much quieter and safer operation. Electronic tools have replaced the air pressure tools. Apart from a more silent operation, their main advantage is that the electronic tightening tools are connected to a computer network monitoring their own performance. LCD screens at every step of the assembly process inform line workers about the effectiveness of their actions. At the same time, this tool self-assessment is added to a production history file unique to each car on the assembly line.
I explain you the necessity or the importance of a quality gate. For instance, please look this door. So this is the famous souvenir from Russia. When we open this, in the inside, small door there, and the inside, small there, and in this doors, 20 doors are there. But once we assemble like this, then after completion of this, it's very difficult to detect some cause in the inside. In that sense, so we need to have interim inspection. On this time, it's okay. Then we can go to the next step. And this time, it's okay. Then we can go to the next step. And as a result, we can have a perfect product.
For this reason, the IS assembly line has 15 quality gates. Each quality gate covers around 20 production processes. The quality team leader receives an online evaluation of every assembly process, covering electronic input from the tools and manual input by assembly line workers. This way, any deviation from a perfect assembly is monitored and adjusted at the quality gate before moving to the next step of assembly. With quality as the focal point, extensive inspection is put into place.
In that sense, we need to have a brand new shop. And also, every vehicle does have a driving inspection, 100% inspection. And it takes around 15 minutes. That means only one person can release only 4 vehicles in an hour.
Gap management and the visual appearance of the car are special points of attention on the inspection line. The exterior components benefit from an average 34% tighter gap management. The gap between front bumper and wings, for example, is down to just 0.35 millimeters. Contributing to a cleaner appearance, the sides of the 4 IS doors incorporate resin masks on the edges. Under the bonnet, the engine compartment is fully masked, hiding away most components. And acoustic performance is enhanced with the application of sealing around the bonnet. A prime example of Lexus craftsmanship is the center console finished in bird's eye maple wood, available on the luxury specification IS. The center console unit comprises 3 separate wooden parts: the main panel, the ashtray lid, and the storage compartment lid. They are carefully selected from the same sheet of veneer by wood craftsmen. Although time-consuming, this selection process ensures purity of color and grain, which is unique to every log of wood. The veneer sheet is then laminated to an aluminium backing plate and an additional wooden sheet to ensure optimal rigidity. Several manual and machined coatings of organic lacquers result in a vivid color pattern. Then extensive polishing ensures an ultra-high gloss and scratch-resistant finish. The interior refinement of the new Lexus IS also shows in the use of soft-touch materials for dashboard, door trims, roof and pillars, and in the use of high-quality leather. In the production of the leather seats, a new seaming technique works with double needles and 2 wires instead of 1. This provides extra strength to the stitches. New sewing machines seam at 700 RPM compared to the previous 1000 RPM. This lower speed allows the stitching holes to be invisible. Additionally, the distance between stitches is lowered from 5 mm to 3.5 mm, resulting in a particularly high quality feel.
When I achieve something, so detail work must be very, very essential. And once we forget some, even for the small parts, and the product will not be the perfect.
The combination of innovative technology and craftsmanship is a trademark of Lexus production.